Hi everyone, today we are unboxing the Playminds 20x20" professional tournament chess set. A perfect combination of portability, durability and professional grade design. Right out of the box, here's what you get. A high quality green and white vinyl foldable chess mat measuring 20 inches by 20 inches. It's rollable, lightweight and easy to lay flat. A full set of solid plastic chess pieces including 2 extra queens, bringing the total to 34 pieces. These pieces are built to FIDE standards, that's the World Chess Federation, in terms of height, weight and proportions, making them perfect for tournament level play. Whether you are at a tournament, in school or on an office trip, this set is easy to carry and quick to set up. It's perfect for beginners, intermediaries and even pros. Want to explore more? Visit playminds.in. They also offer tournament chess sets, metal chess sets, wooden laminated sets, travel-friendly magnetic wooden sets, unique luxury chess sets, giant garden chess sets and even chess tables. Link is in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews.